Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use the building explosion effect on Higgsfield AI. Now if you are a big fan of VFX effects and all possible visual effects, this is the best AI for you to use, higgsfield.ai. So all you have to do is to log in or sign into this free account and then scroll and choose the visual effect you want. Since I want building explosion, I'll just click on it, but in this case I'll open it in a different tab, and then you'll be brought to a page similar to what I have here. So from this page you can see how the explosion works. So the building just explodes behind the subject here, so you can see various examples of the building exploding, which is perfect for your video effect. So all you have to do is to just click on generate. Now in the next page you are going to see how you're just going to upload a picture that would have what you want to make explode, which means that in this case you will not just upload any picture, you upload you or the person you want to be the subject to be in front of a building, and then this effect would be seen properly. So all you have to do is just upload your image here, click on generate, and you have your video in the next few seconds or minutes in some cases. And then once it's done, you can click on download here, and that's it guys. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to the channel. We are actively trying to grow. Thank you very much.